Do you want to know how to make a paper bag floor? Then watch the videos in the description. I want to show you the work we did and the problem we had. Let's get to it. So as I said before, I've linked a few videos in the description that we watched before we started our project. It's not super hard. It does take a lot of work. We pulled up carpet, the padding, we painted the subfloor with a Kills coat, then we put down the paper bag. We ended up painting the walls as well. I think I missed the part where we did the Kills coats on the floor, but we'll get to it. So what did we do wrong? So we put 4 layers of the oil-based poly on the floor. It made a little bit of a smell. So we opened a window. We live in a very cold climate and it dropped to 32 degrees that night. We believe that is what caused the poly not to want to stick to the paper. So now it's cracking and coming up in little flakes and chunks. So that was the biggest mistake we made. We have decided to leave the floor for now and may try to sand off the poly later and see if we can reapply it. Subscribe for more videos.